Bubblepins Foodie. My name is Mary and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share with you a recipe to make these super cute and delicious, easy cake pops. Cake pops are one of my favorite desserts to have at parties because they're so easy to make. Especially this recipe I'm sharing, it's a no-bake recipe, so you won't be needing the stove or the oven. So let's get started. You will be needing chocolate graham crackers, cream cheese, sugar, chocolate, sprinkles, and cake pop sticks. Mix your sugar and graham cracker crumbs together. Now add your package of cream cheese and mix well with using your hands or a standard hand mixer. And that makes the cake pop dough. Create circular chocolate dough balls with your dough and dip into melted chocolate. And that's it. I will be leaving a link in the description box for the recipe. Want to watch more recipe videos? Check out my playlist. Oh no!